Okay guys, hope you're well. We're going to go to Ask Scruff this morning, and it's to do with the bias sheet. So let me flick this over. I'm currently monitoring pound JPY at the moment for the small account. Let me pull this down. You've already got the strengths and what have you in this morning. I've done that for you, which is kind of here. I'll pull that up in a moment because this does have direct relation to the question. So let me just close that down a minute and put in Ask Scruff. It's for Dex. Salute to you, my kid. I doubt if the trade is showing it's not ready on the bias tool, then do we update every 5 minutes, 15 minutes till it shows ready, or do we wait for the hour candle to close and then update? Okay. I'm in that situation as we speak. So let me flick this over. I'll put that to there and just pop this up. So as you can see, mine is saying wait as well. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, it's telling you that the elements are roughly there. Okay. So the way I do this is at the top of the hour, when we've done our analysis, if it says wait, I'll wait 15 minutes. And then I'll change the 5-minute setting, okay? Because it's had 15 minutes to think about what's going on, all right? And see what happens. If it says wait again, I'll let it run another 15 minutes to past the hour, and I'll change the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes, because obviously there's been another 15-minute close at that point, or another 2 15-minute closes. So it could have changed the dynamic somewhat. If it still says wait, I'll wait another 15 minutes and I'll change the 5 minutes and I'll look at the 15. And then if not, then I'll wait to the top of the hour and I'll do the whole thing again. All right. What you're essentially doing is you're working on the closed out candles. So when you come to the next hour, you don't have to do the 4 hour again because that 4 hour candle is still running, unless it's at the point where that candle closes. Now mine are sort of 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the at night for my 4 hours. The hourly I would do on the hour, and then if it's in a waiting situation, I will do it just like the way that I've just said. So I hope that helps you, kid. It's just a way of monitoring. Always remember with the tool though, the tool's only job is to give an overview of what the market state of play is and telling you whether it's ready or not. If it is ready, fine. You then go and you look at the chart and you would use your chart analysis, looking at your chart patterns, whether you're counting 5 back, waiting for a cross of your indicator, bouncing off a level, Bollinger Band stretches, whatever your criteria for your trigger is. The sheet just tells you that the elements are starting to come together and it's a nice time to go to market. Okay, so I hope that helps. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.